Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Grant. Are you ready? Let's begin. What do you see? I see one dog. A big, happy dog. Can you say dog? What do you see? I see two cats. One cat is sleeping. One cat is playing. Maybe not. Maybe they're next to each other. Can you count them for me? 1, 2. What do you see? I see 3 birds. They are flying in the sky. Not really. These birds are just hanging out behind me. What do you see? I see 4 fish swimming behind me. Maybe you might see more behind. Swimming in the water. Can you wiggle like a fish? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. What do you see? I see 5 frogs. Jump, jump, jump. Can you jump like a frog? Can you leap like a frog? Can you hop like a frog? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 behind me. That was a lot of fun, guys. Dog, cat, bird, fish, frog. Good job. See you next time. Bye-bye. Comment below your favorite animal. Subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.